y'all, it's Michaela at Cold Creek Nurseries in Aiken, South Carolina, and I want to show you today one of my favorite canna lilies. This one is a Canna Cleopatra, and what makes this one a very unique canna lily is it has two colors of foliage as well as a variegated flower. You can see that there's beautiful chocolate colored foliage which comes along with some green as well. The foliage alone is very attractive. This canna lily is going to get up to 3 to 4 feet tall. It's going to come back every year, so it's a perennial. The really cool thing about it too is that it's going to bloom with this beautiful yellow and orange striped flower. It's also going to have some little red dots in there. This guy needs some fertilizer to keep going through our hot summers, and I just recommend you put on some of our Epsoma Plant Tone to keep this plant blooming for you. It's going to bloom from early summer all the way through fall. And I just think that it's a canna lily that you just cannot beat for your landscape, and it makes it for a great container plant as well.